Alright, let's take a look at the Haier 6200 BTU Ultra Quiet Window Air Conditioner. And if you live in an area that gets hot in the summer or is hot all year round, then you're definitely going to want something like this. This air conditioner works best for small rooms that has 6200 BTUs of cooling power, so if you have a bedroom or just a small room, then this is a perfect option. It's not too big, as you can see. It's a pretty decent size for an air conditioner. It's supposed to fit underneath a window, and then it just plugs in with this little plug right here. It also comes with all the parts needed to install it, as well as a remote control. But you could also use the air conditioner itself to change the settings. You could change the mode, you could change the speed, you could change the temperature, and you could also set a timer on it as well. One thing I really like about this air conditioner is that it's quiet, so you could sleep with it on in the background like this baby here. And it also does have a sleep mode as well. Before you get this, make sure you measure out your window to ensure that it actually fits. But with that being said, I hope you found this overview helpful, and thank you for watching.